smile that makes me want to hide.
Yes, she does.
She does have the kind of smile that makes me want to die.
Yes,
So you want to spend the night with her? Would you want to spend your life with her? So you want to see her now? Don't you want to know her now? So you want to keep her now that you know she has nothing to offer? I tried to find a way to make you notice me.
Now just watch.
And I'm tired of trying new ways to make you accept me.
Exit what?
So you want to spend the night